So we had a sunroom on the back when we purchased the house. It was screened in with the wind. It always seemed like it picked up dirt. In the summertime it was too hot. In the wintertime it was too cold. So actually my dad was at a home and garden show in Enid and called us because he knew what we were looking at doing and said, hey, we've got some people you ought to look at. So we had them come in and basically put a sliding door and then enclose it in with glass windows. Great. They came in, they were very professional. When we looked at doing the job, they told us what they were going to do. We had a lot of questions. We had doubt that they were going to do what they said they were going to do, but they did. Everything was done exactly like they said they were going to do it. They cleaned up well afterwards, didn't make a big mess, so we were very happy with what they did. It's just like it's part of the house. It blends into the rest of the house very well. It looks like it should, like it was built when the house was built. So blends in externally and internally very well. Oh, I definitely use them. One, they do what they say they'll do. We're probably going to try to redo some more windows on our house, and we'll definitely call Energy Guard. Their work was as good as I expected, and I had pretty high expectations.